In this tutorial, I will guide you how to reset your custom shaders patch, also known as CSP, in the Content Manager for Assetto Corsa. So ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Now in Content Manager, go to CSP settings and uninstall CSP, or just delete dwrite.dll from the Assetto Corsa folder to remove CSP, then close Content Manager. So you can open this Content Manager, select here on settings, and then select here on the custom shaders patch, and then on the about and updates, you'll see an option to delete patch. Or if you don't want to delete this patch, you can go to your Steam and then go to installation location for Assetto Corsa, select here manage, select browse local files. Now on the browse local files, it will open the Assetto Corsa root folder. Now look for this file that is called dwrite.dll. So you can delete this, or I highly recommend you to just select here delete patch. So you can select delete patch on the custom shaders patch here. So I'll select delete patch. After selecting delete patch, close this Content Manager. Now follow the next step. They say open run application, type this, which is %localappdata%, and then hit enter. Then rename ACTools Content Manager in that location to something else. You can add negative old to the end, or so this. You can add this negative old to the end so that the software can't see it anymore. So you'll type Windows+R to open the run application, type %localappdata%, and then click OK. Now it will open the localappdata, look for ACTools Content Manager. You'll have to rename it. So right click on it, then select rename. I'll add here at the end negative old. So once you add negative old, click enter. Now follow the next step, which says now you should be able to load Content Manager and it should be pretty clean if you open it. So I'm going to open the Content Manager. So it is found on my downloads. Go to here to the latest and then open Content Manager. Now also open Content Manager, it will open clean. It will ask you for the Assetto Corsa root folder. Your Assetto Corsa root folder is found on the installation location for Assetto Corsa. So you'll have to right click on it if you have the game on Steam, select manage, select browse local files, and then copy this directory here. Also copy this, go to your Content Manager and then paste it here. After pasting it here, then you can just click OK, and then it will open Content Manager and it will be very clean. But since I don't want to reset it, so I'll have to rename it back. So I'll go here to, I can close this Content Manager and then press Windows+R, and then I'll type %localappdata%, click OK, and then I'll rename it back. I'll have to delete this, which will be recreated. So I'll delete this. And then I'll rename it back to which was found before. So it'll be like this. And then after renaming it, then I'll open my Content Manager just like normal. Then I'll open it. And then I'll have to reinstall my custom shaders patch. But for you, if you want to fully reset your custom shaders patch, you'll have to follow the instructions very carefully. And then just follow the instruction. Now you should be able to load Content Manager and it should be pretty clean. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this has helped you, and see you next time.